Hello, welcome to the Auto Voice Line Edit and Naming tutorial. This is a tool that we released a couple of months ago on our website, and we decided it would be useful to give a short tutorial to anyone who's interested in trying it. So the idea behind this tool is that we work a lot with voice actors who have their own studio, and whether we do live sessions or they record on their own, most of the time after we receive one track with all the takes, all the lines. And this is great, but then the editing process of derushing, it just takes a lot of time. And we thought with all these, all of what's happening with AI today, text-to-speech, speech-to-text, is there a way to use this technology and apply it to these one-track files that we receive and then basically do the edit automatically? And the answer is yes. So how does it work? First, obviously you need our script, but you also need the Azure text-to-speech library. So once you've installed everything, I have here an example of a game trailer script that I asked ChatGPT to write for me. So I have a few lines, I have one character in my simulation, and then I have a bunch of different IDs for each line. Every takes for each line will be grouped under a region, which name will be that ID. So it's quite important. You can be as precise as you want. Here I wasn't super precise, but for example, I could have done unlock new abilities, one region, discover hidden and secret, one region. It's really up to you and what you need. So I took the liberty to record that text. And as you will hear,
Get ready for a wild, wacky adventure like you've never seen before. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready for a wild, wacky adventure like you've never seen before.
it's not good. First of all, I'm not a great voice actor. I'm not a voice actor. The accent is meh. There are some hesitation in there. We read through the script once and then we did it again. But to be honest, apart from the bad voice actor, that's usually what a voice recording session looks like. And the script will still works, which is amazing. But first, we need to divide that one track file into several items. So we use the dynamic split tool within Reaper for that. I've already set it to according to what I need. But basically what you want to achieve is that you want these media items more or less to match these lines so that they're grouped under the regions. Obviously, it will never be perfect. Sometimes a sentence will be cut in two if a voice actor left a pause, for instance, or an hesitation. But that's all right. The tool will still work. It will just recognize a part of a sentence. So we split everything. So once you've done that, you need to reposition the items. And that means spreading them out on your track. And that's just in case there might be some overlap with some items being way longer than others or way shorter than others. So this is an option in Reaper. I will put just 5 seconds. I have a shortcut, but if you just type preposition items, you will find it. So now they're all spaced out by 5 seconds. So I think that works quite well. I select every items. I go into my script, I look for mine. Here it is. It's already pre-filled because I've used it before, but this is the folder where I have my CSV. This is all the different headers from the CSV, so line for line, ID for ID. This is the language code, so this is not in the CSV, but this is the Azure language code for American English. And it's quite important, I would say, to be accurate. Even I, who I'm not a native speaker, if I don't put US, it will not be as accurate as it could be. Because my English is more American, I guess. This is the character like we put before in the CSV. There's only one here. But if you would have two characters, it would group each item under the relevant character, under the right character. So when I launch it, it's taking a while because it's literally reading through each item. As you can see, there are some percentages that are appearing, and this is the accuracy match. So if your item only represents a tiny portion of your sentence, it will obviously not be in a high percentage, but it does not mean it's not relevant. It's just because it's a smaller item. So it's done. So we have our region on top and our files under, and what it was not able to group, it put aside. Obviously, this is just noise, so it didn't put anything on it.
Get ready for a wild
this, I
wacky
guess,
adventure like you've never seen
is noise
before.
as well. Yeah. But for the rest,
Start your adventure and get ready to play.
start your adventure again, ready to play. 6. It is indeed the end of line 6. And if I go here,
Coming soon. Start your adventure and get ready to play.
it is exactly the same line.
Get ready for a wild wacky adventure like you've never seen before. Get ready for a wild wacky adventure like you've never seen before.
And this is supposed to be the first one. Get ready for a wild wacky adventure like you've never seen before. And it is. So yeah, there you have it. The only issue is that the regions are not for the moment grouped as they unfold in the script. This is not really an issue in the sense of you just have to select the region and move everything with it. So not such a big deal. But that will be the content of a future update for sure. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for following it. I hope you found it useful. I hope you will find this tool useful as well. Obviously, there's still a lot of things we can improve, but as it is, the ability to group text together just saves you a lot of time on your editing work. If you want to be kept aware of any future update, you can join our Discord. We have a tools channel on there. And you can also follow us on LinkedIn, where we'll publish any updates in the future regarding this tool and the other ones as well. Thank you.